In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Bing search results to Excel. As an example, we will be extracting search results for the keyword garden equipment. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract Bing search results to Excel, we'll use the Bing Search Scraper. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Bing Search Scraper. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more keywords. Enter your target location. Select how many pages you need to export. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Bing search results to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've extracted Bing search results including domains, their positions, titles, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Bing Search Scraper and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.